everybody, this is AFC Leader here. Going on a little ride at night. Just let it go out. Just felt like going for a ride. I didn't really have anywhere to go. I just started cruising around. Seemed like a good night. I was playing H1Z1 all day with my buddy Motovlogs and just needed a break from it. So I was like, hey, I'm going on a night ride. It'll probably look cool in the videos. I took off. And me and Motovlogs are playing H1Z1 like every day. It's on Steam. If you play it, you can play with us. I'm AOC Leader on Steam, just like I'm AOC Leader here. I'm AOC Leader everywhere. It's just I'm released to the final Steam if you want to play with me. I'm also trying to save up to get a camera, like a helmet camera, like one of those SK4000s or GoPro. I don't know if like the SK4000, if you can put an external mic on it so I can talk when I'm riding. But even getting it would have better video quality because right now I'm just using my phone. And it mounts to my mirror. It's the only place I have that I can actually mount it on my little scooter. And whenever it's on there, if you see my videos, my mirror always vibrates. So the phone vibrates as it's recording, so my videos are always real shaky. But if I had a helmet cam, I would be able to talk about videos and it would be so shaky and it would look better. And the video quality would be just a ton better. So I'm looking to get some donations for that if you can help me out. 50 cents, $1, whatever you want. There's no set amounts. It'll go straight to my PayPal. Anything I get is going to go straight towards getting a camera. I've been trying to save it for a while. I only got a few viewers right now, but if you want to help me out get started and get a better camera, I would appreciate it. Otherwise, I'm going to be stuck with this phone for a long time because I have no idea when I'm going to be able to afford a camera. I just do like day labor work. And they tend to send me to random places, so like half the times I don't know where I'm going. Since I only have the phone to record and I don't know where I'm going, I can't record because I got to use the phone with GPS. Otherwise, I'm going to get lost. I'm not going to make a job. I'm not going to make any money, and it's going to be terrible for me. And I've got to eat too, man. Like I said, I don't make much money. I work when I can. I don't always get jobs, but jobs I do get, I can get. Like I'll go out in any weather, raining, sunshine, I don't care. You know, the work, it makes no difference. I ride in any weather. But if I had like I said, a better camera, y'all be able to see me riding in all this weather because a lot of times I'm not recording because I don't know where I'm going. And it would be a cool ride, and all things like that. Another thing I'd like to talk about, is driving at night. Like I said it before. I don't like driving at night. I get this glare from all the lights. It makes it hard to see where I'm going. I'm trying to turn in somewhere and I can't see the turning because of some glare or some light blinding me, or I pull up to the red light and that's glaring in my eyes. I just don't like the lights outside. They bug my eyes. But other than that, riding at night, it's pretty cool, I guess. I mean, there's no real traffic. You can just kind of cruise around. It's nice. It's quiet. It's definitely cooler because here in Texas, it gets really hot here in Texas, even not hot this way. It gets raining all week long. Like it's raining right now. It's like I don't really want to go out riding because I don't ever know where to go. I mean, I don't mind riding in the rain, but there's no point going out and taking a risk because it is slippery out there when you're rain. It is more dangerous. I mean, it's the same as any other time. I do have the rain gear, but unless I really have somewhere to go, I don't want to even spend the money on gas because I'm pretty broke. I'm really, really broke. I have really no money. But it would definitely help, like I said, if I can get some donations for that camera and everything. And even if you don't want to donate, if you just want to come hang out, find me on Steam. I'm AOC Leader. You can play with me, my buddy Motovlogs. We tried to break into a base like last night. In our mind, it was a successful mission, even though we failed to get into the base because we went there with 4 bombs. We tried to one at a time blowing them up. We got it maybe halfway down. If that, there was already damage some when we got it. Went back, got more of the IEDs to go back in explosives, and then the guys whose base it was showed up. They had a couple of vehicles. They were searching around for us, and we were real sneaky. We were hiding in the woods, coming. Motovlogs are running out there while I'm looking around, trying to cover them, and we were blowing them up one at a time. We failed to get into the base because it turns out it takes more than 8 IEDs to blow open a gate, but it was our first attempt and we tried. I mean, it was, in our minds, it was a success. We learned a lot. We're doing real well. So we're trying to blow up their base because we're pretty sure they're the ones that raided our base. So we're trying to get some revenge on them. But we did get their gate down really low. We think we're going to try again today to go back and get in that base. If you want to come in there and play with us and help us blow up a base, come play with us. That'd be a lot of fun. And my scooter, like I said, like people are like, oh, it's just a scooter, it's not a real motorcycle. Technically, you have to have a motorcycle license to ride it. It's technically a motorcycle. I can take it on the freeway. It can go about 70, 75 miles an hour. And it was no problem at all. I tend to just cruise at like 60 on the freeway, which is kind of hard to do out here because everyone out here is like 80 or 90. People are always speeding. It's crazy. But anyways, before we run out of time, remember to like and subscribe to my videos. And if you can, drop me a donation. It's in my channel. It's a donation link, and I'm also going to put it in the description. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Bright white wide, right read is all right, 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 right